Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your board covers. So what you want to do once you're inside your Pinterest account, click your profile on the upper right hand side. It's going to take you over to where you have your boards and pins. Ensure that it's not selected on pins but on boards, and from here you want to find the board that you want to change the board cover for. So let's say I want to change this one with yummy foods from this chicken to something else. Click the pencil icon in the lower right hand side, and from here you want to add the board cover. So in case there's a board cover already selected, you can just simply change it, and I'm going to do this for another board so that you can see it. So for this one, just simply click on the plus icon here, choose a different pin from within that board. Let's go ahead and take, for example, this burger here, and I'm going to just move it how I want and just click on done, and click on done again, and that's it. There's no change, right? Now for this one, you can see it's already there. So if I click on the pencil icon, you can see that it already shows a cover. So in order to change this, click the pencil icon again. Instead of the plus, you see it has a pencil icon to change. Click on that pencil icon, and from here you can select whatever you want. So let's say I want to use this one. I can select it, I can move it around as I wish, as you see, and go ahead and simply click on done, and click on done again, and that's it. You will see that no changes. So if I go ahead and I refresh, you will see that it is no change to that specific image or that specific pin that I've now set as the board cover, and that's it.